Old Forester 1924 really got me back invested with the Whiskey Row series, and I'm going through all of them to see which one is the best, and today we've got Old Forester Statesman. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Brad's Bourbon Reviews. I'm Brad, and today we are going through the Old Forester Whiskey Row series, and the first one we're going to go with was the first one that I ever had, which is the Old Forester Statesman. Now, if you don't know too much about this, that's okay, I don't either. The only thing I know about Old Forester Statesman is that it was like a tie-in movie for the Kingsman, but I haven't had it since it initially came out. But what I do want to do is get into this. So this comes in at 95 proof. I don't remember too much about this at all, so that's why I'm excited to get into this one. So let's go ahead and give it a nosing and see how we feel. It smells like a mesquite. There's like a weird funkiness to this that I wouldn't have really, but when I first initially tried the Statesman, I wasn't still mixing all my whiskey with Coke. So I got it because of it being a Kingsman tie-in. It's like super sweet, almost like, kind of sweet. But there's like a mesquite char smell that I'm not really a fan of there. The nose is pretty aggressive for it only being 95 proof. Not a great nose. We're not off to a great start here. But let's give it a mouthing and let's see how we feel. Really nice butterscotch note, actually. That's actually pretty good. Not as sweet as it smells on the nose. Super aggressive Kentucky hug there. Not like overly pleasant, not really bad. Kind of somewhere in the middle. Kind of a bitter note does come through. That butterscotch note is pretty nice though. I don't hate this. I don't think it's as good as any of the other Whiskey Row series stuff, however. So once we go through all of them, I'm gonna do a blind after I review them individually, and I'll kind of rank them on the blind. But if I had to just put a ranking to this, and just based on my experience with the Whiskey Row series, I would put this one in dead last. It does not mean it's bad. So if you see this for like a cheap price or it goes on clearance or something like that, I don't think this is like a $50 bottle, which is what they charge for it. But it's not bad. Catch it on clearance, you might be fine. It might be up your alley. It's just, for me, it just doesn't work. So that's the review. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, cheers.